Jesse, let us begin with MongoDB.
Sure, Harry. And
What is MongoDB?
MongoDB is a NoSQL document-oriented database that stores data in JSON-like format, allowing for flexible schema design. It matters for modern applications that require scalability and real-time data processing.
Key concepts here are MongoDB, NoSQL, highlight its flexible schema and use cases. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing MongoDB with relational databases. What are the advantages of using MongoDB?
MongoDB offers high availability through replica sets, horizontal scalability with sharding, and a flexible schema which can easily adapt to changes. This is beneficial for agile development.
Key concepts here are advantages of MongoDB, replication, sharding. Discuss benefits with real-world examples. Common mistakes candidates make here are ignoring potential performance issues with large datasets. How does MongoDB handle transactions?
MongoDB uses multi-document transactions to ensure atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability ACID. This allows developers to execute a series of operations as a single transaction for better data integrity.
Key concepts here are MongoDB transactions, ACID properties, emphasize the importance of ACID compliance and data management. Common mistakes candidates make here are assuming transactions are similar to SQL without understanding nuances. Can you explain what MongoDB indexing is?
Indexing in MongoDB is a technique to improve query performance by allowing the database to find data more efficiently. It creates a data structure that provides quick lookups on fields, similar to an index in a book.
Key concepts here are MongoDB indexing, performance optimization, mention scenarios when indexing is crucial. Common mistakes candidates make here are neglecting how indexes can increase write performance degradation. What is the purpose of aggregation in MongoDB?
Aggregation in MongoDB processes data records and returns computed results. It's crucial for data analysis and reporting, allowing for operations like summing values or grouping records efficiently.
Key concepts here are MongoDB aggregation, data processing. Include examples of aggregation frameworks. Common mistakes candidates make here are confusing aggregation with simple queries. Write a Python function to connect to a MongoDB database.
To connect to a MongoDB database, we use the POMG library, creating a client instance. The client allows us to interact with our database seamlessly.
Key concepts here are MongoDB connection, Python integration, ensure to catch connection errors. Common mistakes candidates make here are not installing the PONG library or missing connection parameters. Create a function to insert a document into MongoDB.
We can use the insert_one method from POID to add a document to our collection. It's straightforward and efficient. Ideas come.
Key concepts here are document insertion, MongoDB operations, discuss the return value, and handle potential errors. Common mistakes candidates make here are failing to check if the document already exists. Write a Python function to find documents in a MongoDB collection.
Using the find method of the collection, we can retrieve documents matching our query. We can easily convert the cursor to a list.
Key concepts here are document retrieval, MongoDB queries. Outline how to handle empty results. Common mistakes candidates make here are not specifying proper query filters. Write a function to update a document in MongoDB.
We will use the update_one method along with the filter and update fields to change the document in the collection.
Key concepts here are document update, MongoDB operations, ensure correct filter usage to avoid unintended updates. Common mistakes candidates make here are missing the update operator. Create a function to delete a document from MongoDB.
We can use the delete_one method to remove a document. It's simple yet powerful to maintain data integrity.
Key concepts here are document deletion, MongoDB operations, emphasize the importance of correct filters. Common mistakes candidates make here are deleting the wrong document due to incorrect filter. That concludes the interview.
Thank you, Harry.
Subscribe for more tech interviews. For such content, do like, subscribe, and share.